Hi, my name's Lee Cunningham. Welcome to HWM Aston Martin Walton-on-Thames in Surrey. I'm just here to present this lovely DB11 Coupe. It's a 2019 model year car and this is in magnetic silver. Really strong colour for this particular GT Aston Martin. I think it really suits it. So I'm just going to explain some of the kind of personalisation, some of the options that have been specified and fitted the car from new. First of all, to point out, we've got the gloss layer package, which is your front splitter, lower side seals. As we move to the upper elements of the car, the side stripe is in gloss black, along with the mirrors, and also we've got the gloss black option on the roof and the roof stripes as well, which really I think gives it a good balance between upper and lower packages, which is key. We've got the enamel badging on the front. One of the key parts of this specification is it's got the 10-spoke directional diamond turned alloy wheels with also the gloss black finish, which really complements the magnetic silver bodywork and again the two upper and lower packages. Car's in very strong condition. It's covered just over 24,000 miles from new. Full Aston Martin service history, of course. That's all part of our remit as a dealer. The car will come with an Aston Martin timeless warranty as well. A couple of things on the car, obviously, as it's displayed, really good condition. There's a few small stone chips on the front which we'll attend to, obviously, as part of our sort of pre-sales work. A couple of marks on the rims, but no significant damage or wear and tear, to be honest with you. So it's a really solid example. Moving to the rear of the car, we've got smoked rear lenses, which I think really complements the sort of dark and understated theme with the exterior package. So what we'll do now, we'll move into the interior. I'll explain some of the key elements and specification on the car, and you can get a sense of the interior of the DB11 Coupe. So now moving into the interior of the DB11 Coupe, we've got the main theme is obviously a dark theme throughout the car, so it's obsidian black leather throughout, which is obviously very good quality. It's in strong condition as well, which is key. This is complemented with the piano black trim inlay, and it's the dark satin jewellery pack, which is your paddles around your vents, your aluminium door handles, speakers, etc. It just gives it a nice kind of understated feel. Full leather steering wheel. A couple of really key features and options on this particular model. It's got Aston Martin premium audio sound system, and we've got lovely broguing on the actual seats, embossed Aston Martin wings on the headrest, and also the broguing on the headlining, which is a really nice touch. Touchpad, which is an option which has been specified with this car as well. So fundamentally, it's got all the key kind of specification features. It's available to book for viewing or test drive, and it can be reserved for £99 online if you are really interested prior to arrival. This reserves the car for you for 2 or 3 days and gives you first refusal, and that's totally refundable if you don't decide to move forward. But if you're in the market for a strong, low mileage DB11 Coupe, I really recommend you come and see this car here at HWM Walton-on-Thames in Surrey.